In this video, I will show you how to add your photo to your email signature in Paragon. Click on Preferences on the right-hand side, then click on Email. Then you can click on Email Signature. Then click on Add New. Then click on the image. Click on the logo that indicates image. It looks like an icon that has mountains. Click there. Then you are going to click on the browse icon. You can then click on Upload Image. Select Add Files. Then choose the image that you would like to use for your email signature. Select on Start Upload. Click on the image that you would like to use. Then click on Insert Image. Then select OK. That image is now immediately saved. You know now how to save an image to your email signature. If you have any questions, you can contact Bay East Tech Support at 925-730-7100. Thank you.